You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast that brings you stories from around the globe about international relocation and the lives being reshaped along the way. I'm your host, and today we have a special story to share. It's about the Ivalov family and how a dream that started in Moscow found a new home in Michigan with a little help from SDC International Shipping. First, the decision. It started with a quiet conversation at the kitchen table. Natalie and Alex Ivalov had built a good life in Moscow. Steady job, a small apartment, and 2 young children. But over time, things changed. Work became unstable. The oldest daughter, Anya, was about to start high school, and they were worried about her future. We wanted more freedom, Natalie said, not just for us, for our children. They started researching their options and decided they would move to the United States. Alex's cousin had settled in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and kept telling them about the good schools, peaceful neighborhoods, and a welcoming local community. That's when they called SDC International Shipping. Then came logistics. Moving an entire life across the globe is no small task. The Ivalovs had questions, lots of them. How do you ship furniture? What about Alex's grandfather's piano? How do customs work? Would their things arrive on time? From the first call, they knew they were in good hands. Their dedicated relocation specialist at SDC walked them through every step. The team helped them inventory their belongings, choose between sea and air freight, and carefully pack delicate items like artwork and heirlooms. They arranged short-term storage in the United States, while the Ivalovs finalized their housing. It felt like a miracle, Alex said. We were overwhelmed, but SDC gave us clarity. Arrival and adjustment. They arrived in Michigan on a chilly April afternoon. Their cousin met them at the airport with flowers. A week later, their container arrived right on schedule. Nothing was broken, nothing was missing. Unpacking wasn't just a chore, it was a celebration. The kids ran through their new house, rediscovering toys and books. Natalie cried when she opened the box with her mother's tea set. And slowly, life began to take shape. They were building a new life. The kids started school. Natalie joined a local ESL class and found another Russian-speaking mom. Alex got a job in IT within 2 months. They joined a community center. They went apple picking for the first time and even got their driver's license. The thing that stuck with them the most, the feeling of support. It wasn't just about moving stuff, Natalie said. It was about feeling like someone had our back. SDC made sure we weren't alone. Now they're looking ahead. A year later, the Ivalovs are thriving. Their house feels like home. Anya's prepping for college. And every December, they still make their special Russian salad, hang Russian ornaments on the tree, and video call their family back home. Their American dream didn't come wrapped in perfection, but it came wrapped in hope. And with SDC by their side, they were able to turn that hope into reality. If you're listening and dreaming of your own fresh start, take heart. The journey is possible, and SDC International Shipping is ready to walk with you. Call 877-339-0267 or visit internationalshipping.com for your free quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.